This is quartz, and this mountain is made almost entirely of quartz. It is day 3 and we are headed south. We're on the road again to a little town called Bisha, and close to this town there is a mountain that is made completely of quartz, so we thought we would stop and explore. So we'll be stopping there for a little hike, and then we will go on to Abha. Did you see all those camels? They're close. Oh my gosh. Where's the GoPro? Hey there, guys.
This guy's coming to see you.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's 3 of them right now. Hi guys, what's up? If you're driving through the US, you might notice lots of herds of cows or sheep, and that would be pretty normal, and you wouldn't necessarily feel the need to stop and take a picture of them. But here, you actually see quite a lot of camel herds, and so they're always interesting to see because they're not a normal animal for us, and so it's always fun to see them. This is quartz, and this mountain is made almost entirely of quartz. Quartz again.
All right, we've made it up about 400 feet in elevation gain according to my watch, and it is really, really pretty up here. We have not made it up to the top. If you look up a little more, you can see that it does get pretty steep, and so we're not gonna make it up that direction. But the view from here is really pretty. We're higher than any of the other mountains around us already, and so you can really take a look out and just see how wonderful it is.
we're almost off the mountain, and I have some tips for you if you want to try this on your own. So I recommend using some hiking poles. They're not necessary, but they were really helpful to like brace yourself when you're kind of like sliding down a little bit of the loose rock, or even when it was like nice and firm rock, you could kind of use it to stable yourself. Stable? Yep. And I also recommend having some good shoes. I have my hiking shoes on, and I feel like they had some nice grip, and also they were high enough that I didn't feel like my my foot was gonna like roll over. So I recommend wearing some good shoes that will let you grip the rock better, because even the rock that's nice and has a lot of grip, we're still slippery in some points. So this road trip has been about randomly stopping when we see something cool. And here's something randomly cool that we found. So we have no idea what it is or what it's doing here, but it looked cool. Just from the side of the road, we turned around and we're gonna check it out. So I'm a little leery of walking into places like this. Like I'm just a little leery of it because so many of the places that we've been like this have been like multi-story, and so I don't know if there's like rooms underneath this, and if this part of the what looks like a floor or what looks like the ground, if that is actually going to be sturdy enough to hold me. I mean, there may not be. This may be all there is, but yeah, I've just seen quite a few places like this that there were rooms underneath, and I do not want to go crashing through. So we'll just look at it from outside.
We have arrived in Abha and our hotel is behind us. As you can see, it's sort of under construction at the moment, and so it looks a little sketch from the outside, but I promise you it looks much nicer on the inside.
Because we are taking a full 3 weeks to do our road trip around, our afternoons have been really relaxed. So I'm about to have a little cup of coffee, read my book. I'm not a rock climber, so I'm not going up that.